Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to explore the best scenic areas in Yemen. From ancient cities to unique natural wonders, Yemen offers a diverse range of landscapes that will leave you breathless. Our first stop takes us to Socotra Island, a place often described as feeling like another planet. Located in the Arabian Sea, Socotra is home to over 800 plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. One look at the landscape and you'll understand why it's often called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean. One of the most iconic sights on Socotra is the Dragon's Blood tree. This strange and beautiful tree gets its name from the red sap that it produces, which has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and dyes. The tree's unique umbrella shape is an adaptation to the island's harsh, arid climate. The island is also home to the desert rose, a tree with a bulbous trunk that stores water, and the cucumber tree, which produces fruit that looks like giant cucumbers. Socotra's unique biodiversity extends beyond its plant life. The island is also home to a variety of reptiles, birds and insects, many of which are endemic. Keep an eye out for the Socotra starling, a striking bird with bright blue plumage, and the Socotra chameleon, which can change its color to match its surroundings. Socotra is ringed by pristine beaches, coral reefs and crystal-clear waters, making it a paradise for snorkeling, diving and swimming. Beyond its natural beauty, Socotra is also home to a rich culture and history. The island has been inhabited for centuries by the Socotri people, who have developed their own unique language, customs and traditions. When visiting Socotra, be sure to explore the island's small villages and interact with the friendly locals. Socotra is a truly special place, a unique blend of natural wonder and cultural heritage. Next, we journey to Shibam, a city often called the Manhattan of the desert. Located in the Hadramaut region of Yemen, Shibam is famous for its mud brick high-rise buildings that date back to the 16th century. Imagine a city rising from the desert sands, a cluster of towering structures that seem to defy gravity. These remarkable buildings, some as high as 11 stories, were constructed using traditional mud brick techniques. The mud is mixed with straw and water, then molded into bricks and left to dry in the sun. The result is a surprisingly strong and durable building material that has stood the test of time. The city's buildings are also beautifully decorated with intricate carvings, geometric patterns, and whitewashed details. As you wander through the narrow streets of Shibam, take some time to admire the craftsmanship and artistry of these ancient structures. Building upwards allowed the city's inhabitants to conserve valuable land in the harsh desert environment. The tall buildings also provided protection from invaders, with the upper floors serving as residences and the lower floors used for storage and livestock. Today, Shibam is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist destination. Visitors from around the world come to marvel at its unique architecture and experience the charm of this ancient desert city. As you explore Shibam, be sure to visit the Friday Mosque, one of the oldest and largest mosques in the Hadramaut region. Another must-see attraction is the Shibam Palace, a former residence of the ruling family that now houses a museum showcasing the city's history and culture. For a truly unforgettable experience, consider taking a guided tour of Shibam. Local guides can provide valuable insights into the city's history, architecture and culture, enriching your visit. Shibam is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, a city that has thrived in the harsh desert environment for centuries. Our journey through Yemen's scenic wonders now takes us to the capital city of Sana'a, where we'll visit the magnificent Saleh Mosque. This architectural masterpiece is not only a place of worship, but also a symbol of Yemen's rich cultural heritage. The main prayer hall can accommodate over 40,000 worshippers, making it one of the largest mosques in the world. The mosque's 6 minarets, each soaring over 300 feet into the air, dominate the Sana'a skyline. The Saleh Mosque is a relatively recent addition to Sana'a's architectural landscape, having been completed in 2008. However, its design draws inspiration from traditional Yemeni architecture, incorporating intricate carvings, geometric patterns, and calligraphy. Step inside the mosque, and you'll be greeted by a sense of peace and tranquility. The main prayer hall is a vast and awe-inspiring space, with soaring ceilings, intricate chandeliers, and plush carpets. The walls and pillars are adorned with elaborate carvings and verses from the Quran, showcasing the skill of Yemeni artisans. The mosque complex includes a library, a Quranic school, and gardens, providing a space for people to gather, learn, and connect. As you wander through the mosque's courtyards and gardens, take a moment to appreciate the peaceful atmosphere. Visiting the Saleh Mosque is a truly unforgettable experience, a chance to witness the beauty and grandeur of Islamic architecture. Whether you're interested in architecture, religion, or simply seeking a moment of peace and reflection, the Saleh Mosque is a must-visit destination in Sana'a. Prepare to be captivated as we journey to Dar al-Hajar, also known as the Rock Palace, a testament to Yemen's architectural ingenuity and breathtaking landscapes. Imagine a palace perched atop a massive rock formation, seemingly defying gravity as it blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Located on the outskirts of Sana'a, Dar al-Hajar stands as a proud symbol of Yemen's rich history and architectural prowess. Built in the 18th century on the ruins of an older structure, this five-story palace served as a summer residence for Imam Yahya Muhammad Hamid ed-Din, the ruler of Yemen, from 1904 to 1948. The palace appears to grow organically from the rock, its whitewashed walls contrasting beautifully with the rugged brown hues of the surrounding landscape. Inside, Dar al-Hajar is a labyrinth of rooms, courtyards, and staircases, each offering glimpses into the opulent lifestyle of the Imam. The palace features intricate stained glass windows, carved wooden doors, and traditional Yemeni furnishings, showcasing the country's rich artistic heritage. One of the highlights of visiting Dar al-Hajar is the breathtaking panoramic views it offers. From the palace's upper floors and terraces, you can gaze out over the surrounding valley, dotted with traditional Yemeni villages and terraced fields. The palace's strategic location atop a rock formation wasn't just for aesthetics. It provided natural defenses, making it difficult for enemies to attack. Today, Dar al-Hajar has been transformed into a museum, offering visitors a glimpse into Yemen's rich history and cultural heritage. As you wander through the palace's rooms, you'll encounter exhibits showcasing traditional Yemeni costumes, weaponry, and artifacts. No trip to Sana'a is complete without a visit to Dar al-Hajar. Our final destination takes us to the mountainous region of Al-Mahwit, a place where nature's artistry takes center stage. Imagine a landscape sculpted by centuries of careful cultivation, a tapestry of terraced fields clinging to the steep slopes, dotted with picturesque villages that seem to blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Located west of Sana'a, Al-Mahwit offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As you ascend into the mountains, you'll be greeted by breathtaking views of valleys carpeted in lush greenery, traditional stone houses clinging to the hillsides, and the ever-present terraced fields that define the region's landscape. The terraces of Al-Mahwit are a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of generations of Yemeni farmers. Carved into the steep slopes over centuries, these terraces capture precious rainwater, preventing erosion and creating fertile land for cultivating crops like coffee, khat, and a variety of fruits and vegetables. As you explore Al-Mahwit, take some time to appreciate the intricate network of irrigation channels that crisscross the terraces, carrying water from mountain springs and wells to the fields. These ancient irrigation systems, some dating back centuries, are a marvel of engineering and a testament to the ingenuity of the Yemeni people. The region is also home to numerous charming villages, each with its own unique character and charm. One such village is Shibam, perched precariously atop a mountain peak, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Another must-visit destination in Al-Mahwit is the Al-Hajara village, famous for its impressive stone houses built into the cliff face. For nature enthusiasts, Al-Mahwit offers numerous hiking trails that wind through the mountains, offering breathtaking views and a chance to experience the region's unique flora and fauna. Al-Mahwit is a place where time seems to stand still, where ancient traditions and ways of life continue to thrive amidst breathtaking natural beauty. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Yemen's most scenic areas. From the unique flora and fauna of Socotra Island to the architectural marvels of Shibam and the breathtaking landscapes of Al Mahwit, Yemen offers a wealth of beauty and wonder for travelers to discover. We hope this video has inspired you to add Yemen to your travel bucket list and experience the magic of this enchanting country for yourself. See you in the next video.